believe I paid 200 rand for these janky wig lines.
God answered a prayer and cultivate that answered prayer.
What? Was bulala, son. Let's really try that again. I was trying to check if I was in focus. Hey babes, and welcome back to a new vlog. Thank you so much for stopping by and for tuning in. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the response on the previous vlog. You guys really did that. It was so encouraging reading your comments and to see your responses, and the video performed really well. Throughout the course of this video, I'm going to be popping some of my favorite comments on screen, like randomly, so you guys can see some of the things that you guys said that really put a smile on my face. Thank you so much. Ndiyabulela, ndiyabonga. Bye bye, donkey. The girl is showered, my hair is done, and for lunch today we have stir fry and pak choy, which is like a baby cabbage, an Asian baby cabbage. When I warm the food, I take out the pak choy and just have the stir fry in the microwave. It is so hot. This vlog is gonna be about eating. Anyway, this is how I like to eat it. I put the stir fry with the rice in here, in the pak choy, and too good. I can't believe I paid 200 rand for these janky wig lines. Like, they didn't even use a hair dryer on me. 200 rand for these wig lines. Hayi niyayenza imali. At least I know in Cape Town we don't pay 200 rand for wig lines. I know it's just wig lines, but I love when you can wear your wig lines out. Like if you're not wearing a wig and you can wear it out. I cannot walk around like this. In fact, to some Manditi, because there is no ways.
God, send me genuine people. If you're asking God to send you genuine people, bring that same energy. You know, be genuine.
Be who you
Be
want.
who you are. And also and just be open and recognize like God answered a prayer and cultivate that answered prayer.
Girl dinner. Morning. Hope you guys are good. I been trying to stick to my routine as much as possible. We have load shedding from like 8 until 12. No. We have no load shedding from 8 to 12. So I got my day started, got everything started I needed to do. I set up my section where I'm going to be recording now. I'm about to, the hair is dripping. I'm about to record a tutorial on how to do layers. It should be on my Instagram right now. Guys, I just blow dried this hair that I just cut down and it is looking so good. This is just from the blow dry. I haven't flat ironed it. It's a bit thick. It's still thick in the back. It's really thick in the back. But I don't want to cut it too much. I'm gonna have to make it thinner in the back, but not today. This looks good. I have 1 hour to go until load shedding. I haven't eaten. I'll probably not make any breakfast. I'll try and rush, but working. How you go? You working? I didn't know you were gonna work today. I shouldn't rush because if the install is not clean, I'm gonna hate the video, and I don't want to hate the video because the footage of me cutting the hair is really good. I don't want to hate the video. I used to be a very big fan of HD lace when I started out because it literally does the job for you, but the more I got comfortable with wigs, is actually the more that I prefer. Oh, this is too wet on the side. I can't do that to myself. The more I got comfortable with transparent, or the more I got to learn about wigs, the more I actually preferred transparent lace. Hey guys, like when it comes to makeup and to hair, the biggest advice and the most useful advice I can give anyone is TIME. Take your time. Anything that's in a rush, all the times that I've been at the same level in terms of how advanced I was with laying wigs or doing my makeup, and the two applications, the difference between one application and another, and the other being the best, was definitely just me taking my time. If you aren't taking your time and you're rushing like I am, the nonsense and the mess is gonna happen. Oh, this hair looks too good. I just filmed my outro and didn't let you guys know, but I got a notification from FOMO app saying that Sabruga approved my booking, and they approved it literally like at 20 to 3, something to 3, and the appointment, the booking is literally for 3:30, and it's now 2:04. The best I can do is get there 4:30 and still order the 50%. That's the reason why I'm rushing there, is because it's 50% off. Oh, I am loving this. It looks too good. I can't believe I'm gonna be taking this out tomorrow, but this looks so good. You guys must please go watch the tutorial on Insta. I don't know if I want to upload it today. If I can get it up before 6 today, like edit and upload on Insta before 6, then that's fine. Wow. What? No ways. I need to video call my mom and show her my hair. but my sister needs to be at home. If I show my mom my hair, she will die because she loves this. Oh, what a day. It was really cool to kind of have you guys being BTS behind the scenes, in a sense. Not that you would see it first, it would have been cool if you could see it first. Kind of while I was creating, I kind of stepped in again into my, oh my gosh, I'm doing like nothing and I'm vlogging, and then I snapped out of it so quickly, and I'm so glad I did, because this is real life, man. This is real life. I still need it. This is all my makeup. I still need a name to call this like segment. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it, but like I wanted to speak to this is real life, because it is. Over here is the L'Oreal Revitalift Retinol. It's pure retinol and it's a night serum. This is my third bottle of this serum. I really believe in it. Like literally overnight my skin feels great. It's like the first time I used it. I got it in PR, and the thing about getting things in PR, you will like it and then you have to go buy it. Like I would prefer if I was none the wiser to these things that cost a lot. Anyway babes, I hope you have a great week and a great Sunday, or great week whenever it is that you're watching this. Thank you again for watching and coming along to my real life. I love you babes so much. Love and light to you and yours.